I don't care. I'm drinking soda, and her dad chewed her out. You're drinking soda in the seat. So he took all the soda out of the house.
Too bad.
She drinks soda for breakfast, soda for lunch.
You
drink soda with breakfast.
Debbie.
Yeah, but they don't like control her at all.
Nope.
How's she so skinny?
No rules.
They don't care.
Wouldn't work for me, let me tell you.
There we go. Watch, I will get wet.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. Justin went on the one at Six Flags, didn't get wet.
I'd like to go ahead and apologize to you in advance.
What?
I'm going to apologize to her in advance. I always get the water. She's sitting next to me, so she's doomed. She's doomed.
Yeah, but she probably wants to be doing.
Yeah, I'm hot. How deep is this wall?
3, 4 feet. Let's jump in and see.
There's no lifeguard. I don't feel safe.
You shouldn't.
Arms are not long enough. That's not fair.
Oh boy.
Bump. Bumpity bump. Bumpity bump.
Ah!
Oh, well, I got half of mine bottle.
It feels good.
There we go.
Where's the one that's recording?
Ah!
We're gonna escape it again.
No, we're not.
No, no. Oh. That's so beautiful.
Yeah.
Yeah, so you got barely got wet.
I know.
Right? Don't be so sure. Oh my God.
That was rough.
Ah,
So
feels
good.
That was rough though.
Okay, I'm just putting the glass.
Wow, that feels good.
That's much better.
Yeah.
Oh, it feels good.
Straight roasted.
Yeah.
That feels better than
I'm gonna roast your
not
butt.
getting the sun and freezing to death, right?
Yeah, when we get on this one, the sun goes in and then it's just freezing.
Oh. Yes, RJ. Hey, we're on Thunder Canyon, so come on over. We're going to get on one more time. We're on Thunder Canyon, so come on over. We're going to go on one more time. Hurry up, make it quick, because it's hot as shit here. All right, so just meet us there at Thunder Canyon.
That's a little too
All right, so
big.
hurry up over, you and Michelle.
Yeah!
What? I looked like you put in the waterfall. Thanks, RJ.
My neck feels
Hello? Oh,
Hello, service! Oh my God! Oh man!
This is horrible.
Here's a big fall.
Yeah, this is going to get all of us wet.
We'll get on one more time while we're here.
Yeah, by the time we get off, RJ should be here.
Yeah, I have a problem. We have a problem.
What happened?
This thing.
We gotta hold on.
Her boobie.
No,
Oh,
the
the
other
wire.
wire.
Oh, the wire to your boob?
Yeah. It's poking. Really bad.
I hope that came out.
Do you know Cassie's boobs are wired?
Really, Bill?
Wow. Here she goes. Da 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 da. Da 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 da.